Let's be real, working every day trying to make money because you've got bills to be paid is not fun. But most of the time, you don't have a choice. I don't believe there's only one key to financial freedom, but passive income can definitely help you get that financial freedom. People forget the important part. That is, passive income is a result of active grinding for a certain period of time. Hello guys, welcome back to me, talk about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you passive income ideas that can bring you money every single month. But before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to hit the subscribe button for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get into this video. Number 1, domain flipping. When you're flipping domains, you're buying a domain at a cheaper price and selling it at a higher price. Of course, it's not as easy as it sounds, but people are making a lot of money from domain flipping. The first thing you need to do if you want to make passive income from domain flipping is to research the domain first, to see if it's going to be profitable, to check the length of your domain, to see if it's going to be brandable. Once you've done all the necessary research, then you can purchase the domain, and the next step will be to find a buyer. But finding a buyer is not easy. So the direct way to go about it is to list the domain at an auction. When you list a domain, you have to set a price as well as the floor price. Last week, I bought a domain from GoDaddy for about $12, but the estimated value of my domain was around $412. When I listed my domain, I set the selling price at $370 and the floor price to be $305. 4 days later, I had 3 bidders and I ended up selling that domain name for $308. That means I made a profit of $296. I must say though, I think I was lucky because even though I've known about domain flipping for a very long time, it was my first time trying it. Since I believed that it was my luck, I decided to take $180 of that $296 and I bought more domains. But what I did differently this time, I bought 5 domains and 4 of those I came up with the names, and the last one I bought it from another lister. Even though this one was more expensive, I bought it because it had more value, so I could price it even much higher and profit more if someone buy it. Domain flipping is not something you want to rely on, especially at the beginning, because you don't know when the next sale is gonna come. Hence, it's passive income. If you're looking at adding a passive income stream, consider domain flipping. People are making a lot of money from domain flipping. Who knows, maybe by the end of this video I'm gonna have a sale from one of the domains that I've already listed. And if you're wondering, I bought all my domains from GoDaddy and I listed them on Afternic. Number 2, Teespring. Teespring is a platform that allows you to create and sell things you don't even own. When you register for Teespring, you have to pick the category that best describes you. They have content creators, designers, and other categories. If you are someone who loves designing, you can design pillowcases or hoodies or even t-shirts and sell those designs. By loving design, it doesn't mean that you have to have a degree in design, because most people who are selling on Teespring are selling worded design or just pictures. You can sell a t-shirt or a hoodie with words, or you can sell a shirt with like a cat or SpongeBob or whatever. The good thing with Teespring is you don't have to worry about the actual products and shipping and all those things. The only thing you have to do is to do the digital design. You can go to their website and click on a white pillowcase and you put a design there. It's either you put some words or you put a picture and you sell that design. If someone buys that design, Teespring is going to make that product and they're going to send it to the buyer and they will give you the share. If this sounds like something you can do, go ahead and try selling on Teespring. Number 3, digital products on Etsy. You can sell different kinds of products on Etsy as long as you are creating valuable products, because people pay for value. You can create business card templates, personalized digital products such as girlfriend, boyfriend cards, or even a budget planner. Actually, I think I'm going to create a budget planner because I'm a budget freak. I'm going to create a budget planner and sell it on Etsy. Maybe a month from now, I'm going to update you guys and tell you how it's going. The funny thing is, most of my streams of income, I started them jokingly and I never looked back. So I think I'm going to try this one as well. This month, I'm going to continue with domain flipping and I'm going to try creating a budget planner for 2021 and I'm going to sell it on Etsy. As of today, it costs 20 cents to list the products on Etsy. So if you want to try, you can go ahead and try this. And if you really want proof that people are making money from this, you can watch YouTube videos or read blogs. You will see people who have been doing this and are making money. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is very popular. You refer someone to buy something and you get a commission for it. This is one of the best income streams you can have. I received this message a couple of days ago getting a PayPal payment because of affiliate marketing. I get this kind of PayPal message because I I have so many affiliate links and I link them on my blog, my YouTube channel, even on my WhatsApp, everywhere. And it's passive income. I only created those links once, and if people see those links and they decide to buy, that's just free money for me. So if you don't know about this already, please learn more about affiliate marketing and start making passive income from affiliate marketing. If you have a YouTube channel or a blog, that's even a plus. But if you don't have, you can put your affiliate links on your Instagram bio. Bear in mind that affiliate marketing is not something you can rely on, because it's not every day someone's gonna see your link and decide to click or decide to buy something. If you don't know which affiliate program to sign up for, I suggest Amazon. It's the easiest. I created even more Amazon affiliate links in November because of Black Friday, and I got commissions. The annoying thing with affiliate links is you have to wait for a month or two before you get your commissions, which is annoying, but eventually they pay. Some companies do pay monthly. Like, for example, if you made sales this month, you're gonna get your commissions at the end of the month. Number 5, YouTube. YouTube can be a passive income. For example, I haven't posted in 14 days because I was sick, but every single day I was getting at least $15 to $20 every single day, even though I was not posting. And that's because I have all the videos and people were watching those old videos. Even though I was not posting, I was still making money from YouTube AdSense. So it can be a passive income because you don't have to actively post in order to make money. Of course, YouTube takes time, but once you get monetized, that's it. It can be a passive income. That's why some people, they even take 1 month breaks and they still making money. As long as you have all videos and your videos are interesting enough or helpful enough, you will still get money, because people will either go back and watch those videos, or new people are gonna find your channel and they're gonna watch those videos. Those are 5 passive income streams I wanted to share with you guys today. You can try one of them or all of them in 2021, and you can let me know how it's going for you. It's very important to add passive income streams so that your money won't sleep when you sleep, because it's not every day you're gonna have energy to work. In my case, I was sick and I couldn't work or I couldn't post videos, but I was still able to make some money. And that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions regarding this passive income streams or ideas, comment down below and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.